Alright guys, let's be real, everyone wants that feeling of walking into a room and just owning it, you know? Having that next level confidence and presence that turns heads. Every guy has the potential to level up his looks, confidence, and overall presence. If you want to walk into a room and instantly command respect, feel confident in your own skin and have people notice the difference, then this is the video for you. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, we gotta talk about skincare. Having clear, healthy skin is like the foundation of a glow-up. Think about it. When you meet someone new, what's the first thing you notice? Their face, right? So, what's the move? It's time to ditch that bar of soap you've been using since high school and step up your game. We're gonna talk about building a simple skincare routine. We're talking cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, the basics. This is gonna make a huge difference, I promise. Plus, when you feel good about your skin, it shows. Your confidence just goes through the roof. Alright, now that we've got the skincare foundation down, let's move on to another game changer, your hair and beard. I'm telling you, a good haircut can literally transform your entire face. First things first, find a barber who understands style. Do your research, find a barber with good reviews, and don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. Once you found your guy, talk to him about what kind of hairstyle would suit your face shape. Now let's talk about the beard game. If you're rocking a beard, you gotta treat it with respect. Keep it trimmed, keep it clean, and use beard oil. Beard oil will keep your beard looking soft, shiny, and healthy. You'll be surprised how much better you feel when you know you're rocking a fresh cut and a well-groomed beard. Okay guys, this next step is crucial, but so many dudes get it wrong. We need to talk about fragrance. You can have the best skincare routine, the freshest haircut, but if you smell like you just crawled out of a gym locker, it's game over. A man's scent is his calling card. It's the first impression you make before you even say a word. So, what does your scent say about you? First off, ditch the Axe body spray. It's time to invest in a quality cologne that reflects your personality. Make sure you're showering regularly, using deodorant, and maybe even throwing in some scented body wash. It's like having an invisible aura of confidence that follows you everywhere you go. Alright guys, let's talk about something that can instantly boost your attractiveness, your smile. I'm talking about a genuine, confident smile that lights up your face. And the key to a killer smile is simple, white, healthy teeth. Get regular checkups, get those pearly whites cleaned, and if you're feeling fancy, maybe even consider some whitening strips. Your daily habits matter too. Brush twice a day, floss like your life depends on it, and maybe lay off the coffee and red wine a little. It makes you look more approachable, more confident, and let's be real, more attractive. Now let's talk about the foundation of a powerful presence, your body. And I'm not talking about looking like a shredded Instagram model, I'm talking about feeling strong, healthy, and confident in your own skin. Hit the gym, guys. Find a workout routine that you enjoy and actually stick to it. It doesn't have to be anything crazy, just get your heart rate up, break a sweat, and challenge yourself. Make sure you're incorporating some cardio too. Go for a run, play basketball, whatever gets you moving. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods, and make sure you're getting enough protein to support muscle growth. Building a strong body is about feeling capable, disciplined, and confident in every aspect of your life. Alright guys, final step to complete your glow up, let's talk about style. Now I'm not saying you need to drop a ton of cash on designer clothes, it's all about finding a style that suits your personality and makes you feel confident. First things first, figure out what you like. Browse online, check out some magazines, and see what catches your eye. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles until you find something that feels right. Once you've got a general idea, focus on building a versatile wardrobe with some key pieces. Think well-fitting jeans, some classic t-shirts, a few button-down shirts, and maybe a nice jacket or two. And don't forget about the shoes. A good pair of shoes can elevate your entire look. You don't need a million different pieces, just a few essentials that you can mix and match. Style is all about expressing yourself and feeling confident in your own skin. Outrow Glow Up complete. So there you have it, guys. Those are my 6 steps to help you level up your look and confidence. Remember, a glow up isn't just about looks, it's about confidence, discipline, and taking care of yourself. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which glow up step are you starting today? Let's get it.